EasyChair paper ID 129. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Gaurav Shah from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, the ICFA University, Tripura. Today I will present my paper Dsign Digital Signature System for Paperless Operation. Today we have in our contents, we'll talk about digital signature systems, limitations and weakness in conventional models, then we will talk about Dsign, then purpose of Dsign, features of Dsign, benefits associated with Dsign, future goals that I have with this project, then we'll talk about some references. Digital signature system had redefined how people in this world exchange information. It has shown us ways how we can skip paper-based documentation system and signature documents digitally and communicate online. It had also introduced a lot of ways how people can communicate safely by introducing encryption techniques, which has increased the level of security. Now, our existing models of digital signature system has certain limitations. RSA is the most used encryption technique, but on one side when it is costly, other side an RSA encrypted file can be tampered. Encrypted USB keys are like debit cards with ATM pin. If any unauthorized person has access to the key and the password, he or she can expose the information easily. RFIDs are mostly in use for various authorization systems, but they are merely small portable circuit chips lacking peripheral but can be hacked easily. Now we will start talking about Dsign, Digital Signature System. Dsign is mainly built to establish a centralized database where each and every entity, that is every person and organization, will contribute the data by signaturing documents digitally using Dsign. As the existing models are not much popular for use in day-to-day life, with Dsign I look for an affordable, cost-efficient model which will replace paper-based documentation systems completely. That will save organizations from the hassle of storing physical documents backups, as now they can operate on cloud. With centralized database, people can access information instantly about a concerned document, as they won't require to look up for authorized ownership. Right to information will get a leap as it will be available instantly. One can simply provide the signature key and look up for information online. Among various features of Dsign, we will first talk about centralized database. As I have explained in previous slide, with the help of centralized database, Dsign will collect information from people and organizations while they produce e-documents and allow every common man and woman to access them by looking up using the signature key in the Dsign database. As a change, Dsign believes in open information systems, so the concept of passwords and private keys have been eliminated in Dsign-based signatures. The only policy it maintains is it only allows people to look up for information who have the signature key of any Dsign signature document, or else there is no indexing service allowed in Dsign. The signature key is a 40-character random hexadecimal unique key generated using SH1 encryption algorithm. Dsign has introduced the fastest counter theft and counter burglary system, where any person owning a document, if loses it, can directly claim the signatory authority about the fact. As in step 2, the authority will launch an invalidation request with respect to the signature key. As in step 3, Dsign will invalidate the document under the reason as specified by the organization administrator. Further, if anyone requests any information about the document, he or she will get a warning as feedback about the ended use permission on that document. In this way, the ownership of a document is maintained in between the signatory authority and the addressee forever. In the Dsign signature creation process, as step 1, Dsign signature creation form asks for few information about a document. These are header or unique serial number, subject of the document, name of the addressee as organization or person, and comments. These comments are kept secret for future claims. Then all the data once submitted are passed through a concatenation and SH1 hashing algorithm, where the unique key or the signature key is generated. Now the signature key along with the provided info is passed to the Dsign controller. Dsign controller checks in the Dsign database for any duplicate record. If the result is negative, then the signature is recorded and the coded image as QR code and barcode are generated, which have the embedded URL to the Dsign database for the particular document record lookup. Then the signatory, as per his or her wish and convenience, has to copy either of the code in the e-document, and the signature process ends here. Dsign obviously has a lot of benefits. Some are inherited, some are built on its own. It will reduce paper-based operation as it will replace it by e-documentation system. Due to being an online service, it can be used to build software applications which can provide services without human involvement. It will reduce document preservation problem in physical storage because after Dsign, the documents can be stored in cloud. People will get rid of standing in line as Dsign can create a digital platform where people can transact and also communicate through digital documents. Theft and burglary related problems can be countered. Interest of diversity can be monitored. It will let people believe in what they see apart from what they listen. In future, I want to introduce some really useful features in Dsign. APIs will be developed through which third-party applications can communicate with Dsign. Multiple signatory in hierarchy is under development, which will allow signatures by multiple signatories in hierarchy on one document. One-click form fill-up for services will be possible by introducing OAuth in Dsign. Organization logos will be embedded in QR codes for better presentation. Now these are few screenshots of Dsign web application. This is the landing page. This is the profile page. This is the Dsign record view. This is the dashboard for organization administrator. Now here are some references which have really helped me out to build Dsign more efficiently so that it stands on the standards of today's demands. To experience Dsign, you need to see Dsign in action. So I would expect your presence at dsign.herokuapp.com. Thank you for your attention.